In this chapter, we will look at how to manage users and user groups and how to control report security. Firstly, let's take a look at how to create a new user. Let's click on the User Admin main menu item. You will see on the left-hand side the basis of a user tree. There are two tabs, Users and Groups. We'll talk about this more later. Adding a new user is simple. Click on New and fill in the details. Let's click on Create and you will notice that this new user has automatically been added to your user tree on the left-hand side. We also have the option to provide more details for this user, such as company name, telephone and address. Let's fill in one of these fields. You will notice that we also have the option to set an account expiration date, which can be very useful if you only want a user to be able to see the portal for a certain amount of time. Locking an account will completely lock a user out of the system, regardless of whether they provide the correct email address and password. This can be an extremely useful tool for immediately blocking certain users out of the system, should you need to. Let's click on Save. We also have the option to amend user details for existing users. For example, if a user updates their email address or their contact details change. This will automatically update in every group they are associated with, and this will not affect their report security. Let's amend the user details we have just created. I'm going to use a different email address and save. If we now switch to the Groups tab, we can see that the properties for this user have stayed exactly the same and only the email address has been updated. In the next section, we will look at how to create user groups.